AngieFitnessTV.
A back kick. I'm going to show you from the side. Hold on to the wall again, just while I'm showing you. You're going to go knee, your heel drives back. Heel drives back, knee in and down. Knee up, drive the heel back like you're flexing your foot. Knee in and down, core nice, solid and tight. So it's that heel. If you look over your shoulder, somebody's coming from behind. Knee to chamber, heel. You're hitting a person in their groin and the top of their thigh, and you're coming down. So kick, and we call it reset, because that front leg is going to make you take a reset. While we practice, chamber, kick, chamber down, chamber, kick, chamber down. It is with my heel. It is striking the person behind me with my heel. So I'm like, "Hah!" and I set. That is the back kick.